The E6 error code on a Samsung washing machine indicates a problem with the machine's water heating element, which can cause the water temperature to rise and fall too quickly. This error can be caused by several factors, including an incorrect connection to the power supply, poor wiring, faulty elements, or a software crash. Poor wiring can lead to fluctuation in water temperatures, potentially damaging clothes and making it difficult to remove stains. Faulty wires can also prevent the machine from receiving a regulated power supply. If the machine is connected to the internet, a software breakdown can also cause the E6 error. To fix the error, it is essential to inspect the power supply connection, ensuring all switches are connected properly. This can be done by switching off the machine, locating the water heating element, and checking its connection to the power voltage regulator. It is also crucial to avoid using extension cords and to check the condition of the wires and cables, which may have become worn out or damaged over time. To do this, disconnect the machine from the power supply, move it forward to access the back panel, and inspect the thermistor and water heating element. If the wiring is damaged, it should be replaced. In some cases, the error may be caused by a software issue, which can be resolved by rebooting the machine. This can be done by powering off the machine, disconnecting it from the main switch, waiting for 10 minutes, and then reconnecting it. If the error persists, it may be necessary to check for software updates, especially for machines connected to the internet. If none of these solutions work, it is recommended to contact Samsung support or a professional technician for further assistance.